I agree.
What do it look like I'm doing? What? Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we're gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna show you my makeup routine. Now, someone requested this video. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. Someone requested this video. I'm gonna post that somewhere up there in case you guys don't believe me. Disclaimer, I am not an MUA. I'm just a girl who likes to play with her makeup. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video so I can show you guys what I do. But today we're just gonna do a regular YouTube look. So yeah, come on, let's go ahead and get into this video. By the way, if you're new here, welcome. We usually do everything here synthetically fun. And if you've been here and you're clicking just to see what I'm about to do, thank you so much for just watching and staying tuned. Please watch this video to the end, and I'm entertaining enough to, I don't know, show you guys what the hell I'm doing here. Cause child, disclaimer. I'm only a girl who likes to play in her makeup. I'm gonna do this video with no filter. I'm hoping and praying that this comes out the way I need it to come out. But okay, I'm gonna do this video with no filter. See, no flitter, no flitter, no flitter. I already primed my face. So the two things that I usually use, I go in with this e.l.f. Hydrated Daily Moisturizer first. And then I hit it with the Milk Hydro Grip Prime. Now, don't ask me why I do this. This is just to keep your makeup on. I watch the girlies on YouTube. I heard it's a deadly combination, so that's what I do. And then after I prime my face, I usually go in with the e.l.f. Illuminating Mist and Set. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm going to let that dry, and as I'm letting that dry, I'm just going to tell you my next step. I usually do, now a lot of people do their foundations or they do their contour highlight or whatever first, but I usually do my eyebrows first only because, baby, when it comes to messing with my eyes, gotta get that out the way first. I have the e.l.f. Brow Lift, little jelly gel that I use. And then I have, what did I get this? The e.l.f. Brow Lift Applicator that has this little, kind of like a spatula on this end and a spoolie on that end. So, we're going to spoolie out our eyebrows until kind of the shape that you want it to be. Right? Like so. You can see what I'm doing, and you can see what I'm doing at the same time. Okay, so I take a little bit of this product and then just apply it to my eyebrows like so. Then I take the spoolie and lay my brows in place. Back with the spatula to make it lay down flat. Like okay, so. Another thing I like to do after I put this in place, I just like to kind of bring the hairs down into a nice little shape like that. And that's that. Okay, I did the other side already, as you can see. Now that that's done, I kind of wait until it dries down a little bit. And then I take my Anastasia Beverly loose setting powder in the color, I think this is Deep Peach. And access, and then apply some of this to my brows. Brow Wiz in the color dark brown. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills as well. This is the Dip Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate. So I usually outline where I want everything to be first with this, and then I fill it in with this. Can we get cleanup on aisle 10, please? Clean up on aisle 10. The concealer I'm going to use is from Juvia's Place. This is the number 11. Now to clean up the top, I usually use my Fenty Foundation Pro Filter. This one is 410. Now, when I went to go get this in the store, the lady told me this was my skin complexion, okay? That's what she said. I heard her. She said, this is you. This is you right here. Now, when I put this on, look how light this is compared to my skin color. Y'all see that? That's extremely light. So I tend to use this as my concealer for my under eye, as well as here, here, and here, and then to clean up the brow. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Okay, so this is what I got. They looking a little bit more like Sister Wives. I mean, I guess. Okay, so next I'm going to do a little bit of color correcting. Just a little bit, and not literally at my eye, because like I said, it's watering. And if I start putting product in this area, this whole makeup is going to just look retarded. So I'm just going to put some down here. And put some down here. As well as around my mouth. Here. And here. A little bit right over here. And that's it. And that's it. Alright, so I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend this out. One thing about putting on your makeup, it's all about the blend. It's all about the blend. Okay. So, there's that. So next I'm going to put on my foundation. This is the Clinique Even Better Clinical Serum Foundation Broad Spectrum with SPF 25. And I got her in the color 116 Spicy D. So this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to take a little bit on my palette brush thing and work that in like so. We're just going in like so. Next, I'm going to take my Fenty foundation and do a little bit of contouring. Just a tick out, just a little bit, just a little bit. Nothing serious. Nothing too serious. Okay, now that everything is pretty much blended out, as you can see, spray my face again with the e.l.f. Luminous Mist, just to set that in. Anyway, with that being said, I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna go put my kids to take a nap, and then I come back to this video because, yeah, I gotta do my mommy mode stuff. But so far, this is my face. It's giving very natural, very glowy, very almost done. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. So let's do this whole contour thing, but I'm gonna do a dry contour. I'm not gonna put anything more on my face. So what I mean by that is I already put the foundation, the Fenty foundation, underneath my eyes. So I'm going to the loose setting powder to kind of give it the illusion that like if I do have like a contour on the bottom or whatever, but I don't. Again, this is how I do my makeup. You don't have to do your makeup like this. There's probably a couple MUAs looking at me like, girl, no, you don't do that. This is just what I do, okay? Again, you don't have to do this. Now I'm going to take my Mocha Mami by Fenty. Mocha Mami. My Mocha Mami. And I'm taking one of my e.l.f. brushes that look like this. And literally, anywhere that I would have put like my dark contour, I'm just going to add this. So yeah. So I'm going to take this palette that I have here, and I know it's nice and big and bright and beautiful. I ain't going to use none of these big, bright, beautiful colors, baby. I'm going to stick to this, and maybe this. Maybe this. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Simple, nothing too much, just a simple little eye. That's it. Simple. Now I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is my lashes. So let me add the lashes. I'm gonna probably do that off camera. I do have a video on how to apply lashes. I'll probably put that up right here. But I'm gonna apply my lash. Put maybe some dark eyeliner underneath here, so you can't notice that I didn't really put makeup underneath my eye here, because underneath my eye be wilding out and creasing like a mug. This is what it is. I'm an old lady, so I get all of this. See, I see all of that, That is what it is, creasing on my eyes. Can't do nothing about that. And then I'm going to add my lippy, and then yeah, and that's it. So this is my foundation. This is my basic foundation for my YouTube channel. Once I put the lashes on, a little mascara, my lip, things gonna come together the way it's supposed to. Let's go. Take my Morphe spray, if I even have anything in there, because I feel like she's done. I'm gonna put on my lips and put on my wig and come back. Yeah. That is it. This is my makeup for this video that I'm gonna do, which is gonna showcase this hair. Let me know in the comments below, what are we thinking? Is it good? Is it not? So this is my makeup with no filter at all. And then this is my makeup with a filter on. I mean, thank God for filters. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, I look good without a filter, but baby, when that filter comes on, when that filter does its job, do you understand what I'm saying to you? Yeah, I love this. Listen, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you see and if you want to see more makeup, I guess, how to, I mean, I don't know, I could do whatever, but I'll try. If you want to see more makeup looks, let me know in the comments below. We can try to get into this whole eyeshadow thing after allergy season goes somewhere, because I refuse, and I repeat, I refuse to do eyeshadow with my eyes watering like this, baby. It's just not worth it. But if you want to see more, let me know in the comments below what you think. It's giving or not. All right. Anyway, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And then hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you can go ahead and get notified. All right, folks. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.